Hi, dads. Your baby is now 2 to 3 months old. Can you believe how much they've grown? At this stage, your baby is becoming more alert and interactive. Talk to them, mimic their sounds, and make silly faces. Trust me, they think you're hilarious, even if your jokes aren't. Lay them on their tummy for a few minutes a day to strengthen their neck and back muscles. At 2 to 3 months old, a baby's vision is developing rapidly. Babies can focus better on objects and faces that are 8 to 12 inches away. They start to follow moving objects with their eyes, a skill called tracking. By this age, babies can distinguish between bright colors. High contrast patterns, like black and white designs, are particularly appealing to them. Introduce toys that stimulate their senses. Bright colors, soft textures, or gentle sounds are perfect. And you don't need fancy or expensive toys. Even a sheet of printer paper with some black images would be enough. And if you're still sleep deprived, remember, you are not alone, and check out Special Edition 1 on my channel. And hopefully you and your partner haven't filed for divorce by now. Just kidding. I can't wait to share with you all about the teething stage. Thanks for watching Dad's Tips and Tricks. See you in the next episode.